So how we make this bread is we start with 1 3/4 cup of warm water. We add 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast. Stir that together. Then we add 2 teaspoons of fine salt. And then we add 1 teaspoon of honey. We add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We mix that all together. Then we add 4 cups of bread flour, 12% or higher of protein. We mix that all together and we let it sit for 10 minutes covered with a towel. Then we take the towel off, we stretch and we fold the dough. You're going to fold it twice and then you're going to flip it onto the smooth side and you're going to let it sit. Be very gentle with it because you don't want to pop the bubbles. Focaccia is all about the bubbles and the air in between. And now we're going to tuck it in. We put a bunch of olive oil all on it. We're going to stick it in the oven and let it cook for 2 hours. De-stem your rosemary and then cover it. So these are the stems, you want to take those out. Then you cover it in olive oil, and what this does is it prevents it from burning when we put it on top of the focaccia. Then you want to get about 10 olives. I cut them in half and I'm going to place these on top of the focaccia like so. And these are garlic stuffed olives.
Ooh, Natalie's focaccia bread. Look at this. Look at rosemary, olive. Doesn't it look wonderful? Here we go. Oh my God, this is amazing. Nice job, Nat. Nice job. Focaccia, baby. Focaccia. Excuse me.